Hi, I'm Ben from Twinkle. Today I'm looking at PowerPoints covering English topics, foundation subjects, science and more. PowerPoints are a great visual support to help children develop their understanding of new ideas. Let's take a look at some of the range. We have morning startup activities which are great for practice in the classroom or at home. Simply look for a slide with a skill to practice for your child and follow the instructions. We have a range of PowerPoints for different rhymes or song lyrics, matching to a range of different themes. We have SATS revision skills PowerPoints, like this for reading comprehension, with characters matching to each of the skills that children will need to practice. And then activities matching those characters to using those skills again. We have a range of photo-based PowerPoints, which are great for getting children thinking more deeply about what they can see and what they know. And we also have topic-based PowerPoints, like this on Victorian Hospitals, covering a broad range of ideas within a topic and significant people like Florence Nightingale. We also have PowerPoints covering special events and a range of RE topics. This National Samaritan Day covers both ideas in one.